You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. From French, in French, this name I should say. If you want to learn more confusing French names, stay tuned. So in English, you have two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. Carole or Carole. Now, how do you pronounce it yourself? In French, it is pronounced Carole. Carole. So much closer to the first pronunciation I used. Carole, right? That's Carole is Carole. You can say Carole. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.